morning, good morning. We have a little action going on today. Awesome. I thought it was going to be an uneventful day on tacos, motorcycles, and real estate. Looks like we have a car on fire, maybe. We'll see. We're on our way to Grand Prairie, to the building department to pick up some plans for commercial property. We're going to be doing some interior modifications on. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, what a nut. Oh my goodness. Dude, don't be a dick. He's a dick. Whatever. Anyway, man, don't be like that dude. BMW jerk. You want to cause another accident? Look at that. Oh my goodness. That car is on fire, ladies and gentlemen. Drive safe. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Holy moly, man. All right. Y'all be safe out there. Stay safe. Stay hungry. Peace.